Hello dear IGNOU students. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, we encourage you to do so. Good news for students who still have unfinished assignments. If you were stressed about completing them, you can relax because IGNOU has extended the deadline for submitting assignment once again. Previously, the final date to submit assignment was 30 October. Now that date has been pushed back to November 30, giving you an extra month to complete your assignment. This extra time should make it easier to submit assignment on time without feeling pressured. For assignment submission, you will need 3 documents: the front page, your ID card, question paper, and the solutions you have written. Many centers also accept online submissions. You can check with your study center to confirm this. If online submission is available, gather all these documents, create a PDF and upload it to the link provided to complete your submission. The second news is that the last date to submit the exam form has been extended once again to November 3rd without any late fees. So please fill out your exam form as soon as possible. The third news is that hall tickets for the exam scheduled in December will be issued to you on November 15th. The hall ticket will show your exam timing and the center where you need to take the exam. It is compulsory to bring this hall ticket to the exam hall. If you do not take this hall ticket with you, you will not be able to take the exam. You will need your ID card and hall ticket for the exam. You can also bring a photocopy of your Aadhaar card. You should take the Aadhaar card only if your photo is not appearing on your ID card. We have created groups for students from each state. You can join your state group and the link will be available in the description. There you can add yourself to your state group where you can clear your doubts. In this group, you can talk to and meet students from your state. You can ask them about your regional center. We will also provide you all IGNOU updates. And we brought you a combo offer in which you will receive solved question papers from the previous 5 years, 3 sample papers and the latest solved assignments. With all these resources, you will be able to score well in the exam. If you want any of this, you can message us on our WhatsApp number 950-994-6470. Additionally, please let us know what topic you would like us to cover in the next video. Thank you for watching us.